Good morning, everyone. If you have an older Android phone that you'd like to use a wireless charger on, okay, there is a device that lets you use it, and we'll talk about it right after this. Okay, in case we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher and a full-time YouTuber. We're going to switch over to the desktop here so we can discuss this. This is the item. Okay, you can see I bought it November 2nd, which is, I don't know, a week and a half ago. It's a wireless charger receiver for a universal Android micro USB port phone, positive direction type A receiver. Now, not all Androids have positive direction. So, if you scroll down here, you can see all the phones that this one will work with. And here's mine that's highlighted, the G5 Plus Motorola. Okay. And so we're going to show you then how to use this. Okay, let me just clean up the stuff a little bit here. Okay, let's go to the overhead. Okay, if you have an older Android phone, this is a G5 Plus. Okay, this is about 3 generations old. Okay, it did not come with wireless charging when it was new. Okay, so they have an aftermarket wireless charger thing that they can put on there. Okay, to allow you to then set this on here and charge your phone without cords, without cables, without plugging anything in. Pretty nice. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. We'll concentrate on these 2 items. Okay, it goes on the back of the phone. And if you look on the back, it shows the thing. It wants the charging symbol up. Okay, so here's the charging symbol. So it's going to go on the phone that way. Okay, so now I'm going to plug it in. And I just find it easier if I flip this over. Okay, so I can install that in there. I push it in, make sure it's seated all the way. Put this down. Now I have a case I'm going to put on this. So, but I still don't want this flopping around inside the case or anything. So I'm going to put just a small piece of tape on it just to hold it. It's just for aesthetics more than anything else. All right. Now, of course, when I move it, it's not coming off. It's not doing anything. Okay. Now, and like I said, I'm going to put a case on it. Okay. The charger that's on here, you can't see it very well in this light, but this white area around here is actually a light. Okay. And this is where you plug the charger in. Now, don't make a mistake on this. This is called a wireless charger. Okay. This does not charge with the cord. It charges this when it's put on there. Okay, so let's show you how this is used. When I plug this in, I don't know if you can see it. It shows a green light there. See the green light? For 3 seconds and then goes out. The reason is if this were by your bedside, okay, you don't want the light staying on, interrupting your sleep. Okay, now, if I put this on with this in the center here, okay, this should be charging. And if I look on my little display here, I don't know, oops. I don't know if I can do this. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. Okay, you can see right above my contacts here, it's not fully charged, but there's a lightning bolt symbol on there. Well, here, there's a better way. Let me go to settings, battery. Okay, my battery is at 78%. It's charging on AC. If I remove it, it tells me how long is left on the battery. If I put it back on, it goes back to the charging mode. So you come home from work at the end of the day, you throw your phone on here, it starts charging. Okay, when you get ready to leave in the morning, you just pick it up, stick it in your pocket, and go. Okay, no more cords, no fumbling, no worrying about your eyesight and these little micro connectors. Okay, this is just on here all the time. So now, let me just all right, let's try this. Let's go back to battery. There we go. Okay, it's showing me the usage. If I put it back on there, then it goes to charging. Okay, now here's my problem. Okay, I have a thick neoprene case that goes on this, and then there's a plastic piece that covers that. Will it work with this? The documentation says no more than 8 millimeters. I think this is quite a bit more. So let's see what happens. Okay, I take it off. It quits charging. I put the neoprene case on here. Okay. Let's go back to battery. Okay. Let me try it just with the neoprene case. And it charges through it. Thumbs up. Okay. Now I take it off. It quit charging. Tells me how much battery I have left. Now I put the plastic case on it that locks it in place. Okay. So now it's showing me it's charging. And if I lay the whole shoot match down there, guess what? Charging. Thumbs up. Okay, so as long as you own an older Android phone that's on that list, or if you look in the documentation, if it's a positive charging Android phone and has a micro connector, only a micro, no mini, okay, you can use this on your phone. Okay, and stay tuned for next time. I'll put a card right up here on I'll do a video on how to do this with an iPhone 6S Plus. So until then, John Bell signing out. This is John Bell thanking you for watching reviews. If you see this on Facebook, please like it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe. Until the next time, I wish you good luck and good night. May God bless.